Yes, hope you are doing well. In this video, I would like to explain you the basic program called area and perimeter of a circle. Here, one thing to be remember means we actually know the perimeter and area are formulas of circle. What it is? The perimeter equal to 2 pi r and the area equal to pi r square. Here, pi equal to 3.14 value in mathematics. So, Java has a built function called math.py which has assigned same value called 3.14 by default. By using this feature, I have written the program in the screen. Here we go. I will explain you the line by line. Here, I have taken radius, perimeter, area, and I'm coming from the third, where public class, area, perimeter I have declared. As usual, it has main method. Because this perimeter and radius will have the pointer values I have assigned to double. Here I am specifying those. Perimeter area. So by default, I am assigning radius equal to 7.5 to get the general output. Here, double perimeter I have given as 2 into pi, math.py into r, pi r. Here I am just displaying that the content via system.out.println and I am running it. Here we go, perimeter equal to area equal to. So I believe you got the point and learn this simple program. If you like it, do subscribe and watch the space for more programs. Thanks.